Cursor just went nuclear. Parallel agents, a browser inside your IDE, and a composer model that ships code faster than some dev team ship PR. And all this dropped soon after Cursor hit a roughly $10 billion valuation. This isn't 2030, this is Cursor 2.0. Developers are asking the same question. Is traditional coding officially obsolete? Let's break down Cursor v2 and why this might be the moment AI coding finally tips. We have videos coming out all the time. Be sure to subscribe. Cursor v2 dropped on October 29th, only 6 months after the infamous VS Code fork. In just 6 months, Cursor transformed the ChatGPT inside an editor into a full-blown multi-agent development army. And they just shipped their own frontier model called Composer. This is the moment the game changed. Cursor didn't just upgrade its AI, it upgraded what it means to be a developer. Alright, let me hit on 3 upgrades that has everyone losing their minds. The first one is the Composer model, which is 4 times faster. They rebuilt this model from the ground up, where Composer now solves tasks in 28 seconds that used to take over 2 minutes. Then we have 8 parallel agents and the isolated work trees. Cursor now spins up these autonomous agents that attack tasks in parallel, each inside isolated work trees so they never step on each other's commits. And the cherry on top of all this is the built-in Chrome browser. Tests, scraping, auth flows, it all runs right inside your IDE, no more context switching. This isn't an AI assistant anymore, it's an AI team. It's time for some benchmarks because hype is cheap, but numbers aren't. Cursor v2 climbed the SWE bench verified leaderboard, landing competitive with frontier models while shipping faster and cheaper. Then we have latency, where Composer finishes a task in 28 seconds. That can take Claude on the same task sometimes up to 2 minutes. Cursor's per task cost is now low enough that teams are literally running dozens of agents per developer. So yes, it seems Cursor is legitimately one of the fastest practical coding AIs out there right now. In the community, they're dropping some wild testimonials. These aren't marketing plants, these are real developers shipping production features with multi-agent workflows. But real quick reality check here. It's not perfect. CLI veterans are calling the new UI overwhelming. Agents are still occasionally hallucinating refactors. It is AI, and then you must flip the privacy opt-out if you don't want your data sent upstream. None of these are deal breakers, but if you're diving in blind, you'll feel the rough edges. Here's the part that really matters. This changes what developers do. You're not just typing code line by line anymore. You're conducting. You're managing a team of agents. You're assigning tasks, verifying diffs, and building entire features. And the developers who win in 2026, they'll be the ones who know how to manage these AI teams. Okay, if you want to try this today, here's your 60-second starter pack that you can hit the ground running with. Number 1, you gotta get Cursor, so download Cursor. Try creating your first multi-agent task using Composer, enable isolated work trees, and then run your agent tasks. And try logging everything with BetterStack so you can catch problems before they hit prod. Yes, Cursor is going to give you that speed, especially v2. But BetterStack gives you the observability. Comment Composer below if you're going to try this out or if you're already using Cursor v2 in your workflow, because v2 sure is a powerhouse. We'll see you in the next video.